As the temperatures drop, it's the perfect time to take extra care of our lungs. Today, I'm sharing a warm, natural tonic you can make at home to support your respiratory system and stay healthy this winter. While there's no magical detox for your lungs, this drink can really help soothe irritation, ease congestion, and support your immune system, all with simple, natural ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup warm water, not boiling, juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon raw honey. Optional extras for added power, a pinch of turmeric, cinnamon, or peppermint leaves. How to make it? Add lemon juice and ginger to warm water. Stir in raw honey. Stir well and enjoy. Sip it slowly in the morning or before bed. You can enjoy this once or twice a day, especially if you're feeling a bit tight in the chest, dealing with post-nasal drip, or just want to boost your immunity. For enhanced benefits, use alongside your Rife Medic 8 by running lung support programs. Run one of over 8,000 Rife Medic programs daily, especially after drinking your tonic, or before bed for deeper relaxation and healing. Lung or lungs programs, bronchitis if there's a tight chest, cough programs, sinusitis or rhinitis if nasal drip is present, respiratory infections as a preventative or support. Detox, oxygenation. Tip: run a sleep program with your electromagnetic blanket after running any of the above to assist your body in processing and repairing overnight. Holistic lung care tips. Sip this tonic 1 to 2 times a day. Use your Rife programs consistently. Stay hydrated. Breathe deeply. Avoid smoke and harsh indoor air. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried a remedy like this before?